Hello guys, today I would like to tell you some order which is mirror face or mirror features. So first let's go into a sketch and we click it on the uh, top line and hit it OK, and then we're going to rectangles, change to from center. So at that moment I just created a rectangle shape and then trying to extrude it with some distance. Let's hit it OK. And we're going to draft, right? And we keep it this default from plane or a surface. So in select stationary face, let's select the bottom face. And then faces to draft, let's select it one set wall. And then we give it 10 or we give it -10. We selected this face and then maybe we just give it 10. Reverse the directions, right? And we hit it apply. At that moment, if we go into more and I choose mirror face, and then I selected the face, this one, and at the moment I selected apply, I selected this this YZ ply or datum coordinate systems. You could say we got this kind of mirror face of this object. Let's hit it apply. Okay, next I will tell you how to use mirror features. So if I go into a sketch, I select on top plane and then I created a rectangle here. Click OK and extrude this block, right? And at that moment, if I'm going to sketch on this plane, on this face of this object, I created circular, and then I'm going to extrude the circular with opposite directions, and I doing a subtract to this cube, and I hit it apply. At the moment, if I'm going to mirror features, I select this features I just created on last step, and then I need to select it apply, right? This plane at this moment I selected YZ plane. Okay, I haven't selected apply, but you could say a yellow block already in here. That means the new mirror shape already generated in here. This is a location about the mirror shape in the future. If I selected apply, you could see a mirror features just did in this cube, right? And next, if I go into a menu, insert, and in associated copy, you could find mirror fascia, mirror face. Also, you could find the mirror geometry. What is mirror geometry? And for example, in the sketch on top line, I hit it OK. And then I just created rectangles, trying to extrude these rectangles with some distance. And let's skip it now. So it could generate the physical columns here. Let's hit it apply. If I go into a menu, insert, I'm going to associated copy, mirror geometries. At this moment, I select this geometries and specify plane. I select this YZ plane. You could got mirror geometry immediately, right? And if I select this column, and could I not select the plane but selected a face of object? Let's try it. If I selected a face here, you could based on the face of the objects to do the mirror geometry as well. Let's hit it apply. For example, if here the sketch on this plane, I just created a line here. I'm trying to extrude this line to generate it shades, right? I think I need to just subtle changes this line in here. So let's finish. At that moment, if I go into more mirror feature, I still select this feature I just created before, and this time I selected this line. You still could say a new feature with a mirror function will be shown here. Let's hit it apply. So you could say it's not so the mirror client is not only could choose existed client or new client that we could create it, is also could choose a shade or face of object, right? Okay, guys, today about the mirror stuff, associated copy, mirror feature, mirror face, and mirror geometry. I just finished here. If you like my video, just subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, just leave a comment to me and I will reply to you definitely. Okay, see you. Bye.